Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna do a simple drink, which is guava pineapple drink. So this is guava. This is the ripe guava. So what I'm gonna do is to remove the top and the tip. So I am gonna also cut the guava into medium sizes, and I am gonna look for worms as well. The guavas are already washed, so I'm gonna look for worms. You know, a doctor told me that if worms they take up your food, the food not good. So when you go to the field, the farmers depend on the worms. I'll make it slant so. Yeah, for that the top and the tip. That makes it still. Worm that you know. Watch we get telling it up. So I'm straining again. This time I am using a piece of cheesecloth. And this will get rid of all the pulps plus the seeds from the guavas. So this is the guava pineapple drink. without all the pulps. So with clean hands, I am gonna gently squeeze the cloth to get out the juice. So I'm gonna sweeten with granulated sugar. If you decided to try this recipe, you can use whatever sweetener you want to use. You know, you can even drink it without sweetening it. You know, it's all up to you, but I want to sweeten mine and I'm using granulated sugar. Because if I use brown sugar, then the brown sugar will not only changes the color to a darker color that I do not like, it will also changes the taste to somewhat heavy, whereas the granulated sugar keeps it light. You understand? It keeps the drink light and very much refreshing. So what I'm going to do now is to just allow the sugar granules to dissolve in the drink before proceed to sweeten it, because sometimes when you stir it, the sugar granules do not dissolve immediately, and so you tend to use a lot of sugar because it not is sweet. So what I'm going to do is to let it sit there for about 10 minutes to allow the sugar granules to dissolve, and then, you know, I can taste it and decide whether it needs more sugar or not. So I will be right back.